You hear that? There's no mistaking that sound. It's the sound of a running toilet. And not only can it keep you up all night, it can make your water bill go up too. Now the first thing you have to do is take the lid off the tank so you can see what's going on inside. Now that the lid's off, you can probably tell what's going on inside the toilet. This is the float ball. Now if it's more than halfway submerged, see, it makes the toilet keep running. So one thing you can try to do is check for a hole in the ball that might be causing it to fill with water. Other things that could be wrong could be a bent guide arm that attaches the ball to the unit. You might also try adjusting the screw on top. This screw raises and lowers the guide arm's height. All of these things affect the way the ball floats in the water. And finally, if none of these things fix the toilet and keep it from running, you might want to check with this valve here that lets the water out of the toilet and down the drain. The whole thing might need to be replaced, and that means you've got to take the water out of the tank. The first step in getting the water out of the tank is to shut off the shut-off valve here, which connects it to the wall. Once you turn this all the way to the right until it stops, the toilet will not refill when you flush it. You just flush the toilet, and this does half of the work for you. Take a look in the bowl here, and as you can see here, more than half of the water has already gone from the tank. What you'd need to do is then take a plastic cup, dip the rest of the water out until you get this dry inside. Now any of these parts, the whole flush assembly here, could have gone bad, but the good news is you can buy replacements at the store for just a few bucks. Now you see this arm here? This is what moves when you flush the toilet. You want to check the valve at the end of this and make sure this valve has got a good seal. If it doesn't, it's only a couple of bucks to replace it. You can get that at the hardware store too. Well, looks like we stopped our running toilet. Good luck fixing yours.